super out of breath. You guys might be wondering why. Well, I just finished packing for my Girl Scout trip. Well, you guys might be wondering, what did you pack, Zoe? Well, I'm gonna tell you. First and foremost, let's start off with this. In here, I have the sleeping bag of destiny. Ha! Looks like a cinnamon roll. That's green. But you guys might be wondering, Zoe, what's so special about a sleeping bag? Well, in this sleeping bag, there's a blanket. That's what makes it so special. This is in the garbage bag because if it rains when we're we're supposed to put our stuff out, then we'll have protection instead of it being like out. Also, so it's easier to carry. So, sleeping bag of destiny. Yeah, that's actually really hard to throw. Next up is the pillow. And also a garbage bag. But in this garbage bag, there's more than just a pillow. There's another pillow. My camping pillow. Look at this. And then my cute little koala stuffy. I know I have my big doggy here, but apparently I'm not allowed to take him. I have no clue why. And then down here, I have my sleepwear. Anyway, then I have the pillow, the big pillow, the big pillow. Okay, and then my dad put this all back in the garbage bag. Sorry, Dad. I just bumped my dad with my pillow. Anyway, on this bed here, I have a Sharpie. And yeah, I have a Sharpie. You guys might be wondering, Zoe, why are you going to Girl Scout camp with a Sharpie? Well, there's going to be shirt signing. And people have to bring their own utensils for shirt signing. So, I have a Sharpie. Now I'm going to give them to my dad. Now, I have my backpack. That's actually pretty heavy. But, you guys might be wondering, Zoe, why are there a bunch of things bobbling around on the outside of your backpack? Well, it's an emergency. Well, they're emergency things, like the umbrella of destiny and the sit-upon of destiny. So, you guys might be wondering, what is a sit-upon anyways? Well, a sit-upon is for you to sit on instead of sitting on the dirt, ground, and getting your clothes dirty. Ding! So go watch the video that I made this in. And then I got a flashlight, a super bright flashlight, to shine at my brother. Stick right there. And then, nothing in there, nothing there. And then in here, I have my sit-upon. What are you doing? My brother just stayed there. I have my hat, bug spray, and drawstring bag for my swimsuit. Oh, what sunscreen is in here? And then I have a cooling towel, tissues, a poncho. That's what I was going to say. have sunscreen. Yes, I do. Anyway, and here I have sunscreen and bug spray and stuff. And then down here, what? I have a fan to fan myself. Because I'm royal. I'm just kidding. Look. Why? I have a flashlight. My brother's holding a popcorn bucket. Anyway, batteries and 2 headlamps. What? I don't need popcorn bucket for water. Anyways, I'll throw this to my dad. I'm just kidding. I'm not throwing it to my dad. This is one hectic video. Anyway, now to the bucket of destiny. Here it is. Wait, I don't think you guys saw it. No. Here it is. It's my big baby. Ew, there's black. Anyway, oh, jeez. Goodbye. Oh, jeez Louise. So, in here, I got Monday's clothes, Tuesday's clothes, Wednesday, Thursday, except for Fridays, because that's a work in progress. Anyway, so you guys might see a Ziploc bag, and in the Ziploc bag are my clothes that I'm not going to take out because they're really hard to pack. Anyway, so I packed my clothes in the Ziploc bag so I can actually find what day for my clothes. I got shirt, pants, underwear, and socks. And I also have a bonus pack just in case my clothes go away. Then I have a swimsuit and goggles. Oh my Apparently, there's a skeleton drinking water. Anyway, so there's supposed to be 2 swimsuits in here. But right when I go to unpack my stuff, right after we have swim testing, so I'm just gonna put my swimsuit underneath my clothes tomorrow. Anyway, towels and washcloths. 2 washcloths, shower towel, and lake towel. Because we're gonna be swimming in a lake with fishes. And the pink dolphin. Anyway. Oops! I got rain boots because it's supposed to rain this week. So I got rain boots. And here. I also got, if I get bored, I got a journal, sharpener, colored pencils, a pen, and sticky notes. It's creating a mountain. Then this is my dirty laundry bag. It's just a drawstring bag. Then I have my mess kit of destiny. It's just a mess kit. So, I have a lot of things. It is in a box for easy packing. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. That means hit the like button. Anyway, remember to subscribe. And also turn the post notifications on, aka the bell. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.